Xiaomi is at the top of their game right now. At least 2 of the top 3 best-selling smartphones in the country are theirs. With the Redmi 4 and Redmi Note 4, they achieved high levels of success. So with the Redmi 5 and 5 Plus launch right around the corner, they have a lot to live up to. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas, and this is the review of the Redmi 5 Plus. Typically, a Note or Plus nomenclature denotes a larger screen variant of a smartphone, and the Redmi 5 Plus is no different. The 5 Plus packs in a large 5.99-inch 18:9 IPS panel that has a resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels. While it isn't exactly bezel-less, the capacitive keys have been traded in favor of on-screen keys, and the screen-to-body ratio is higher than ever before at 77.4%. The display looks beautiful and seems better than older Xiaomi displays. However, sunlight legibility is still impacted by the reflective glass. The display corners are now rounded too, and there is a narrow black border all around the screen and between the bezels. Despite the larger screen, the smartphone is still pretty easy to handle. In fact, it's narrower than say the Redmi Note 4 but is taller. It remains similar in terms of handling, but the phone is a bit more rounded than before, and as a result may be less of a strain in your palms. It looks pretty good in every angle, and especially in this blue color that we have for review. The device weighs in at around 180 grams, but the good weight distribution ensures that you won't feel it too much. The aluminium unibody feels robust, and they've done a good job at color matching the plastic top and bottom caps as well. The phone comes with Android Nougat and MIUI 9 on top of it. If you're expecting a huge jump in performance, then you'll probably be disappointed since it packs in an octa-core Snapdragon 625, much like previous generation Xiaomi phones. Performance isn't bad, but there isn't a major leap over what we've come to expect. It performs daily tasks well as gaming too. You can choose between the 3GB or 4GB RAM variant that comes with corresponding 32 and 64 gigs of onboard storage. There's storage expansion support in the form of a hybrid dual SIM card slot. The Redmi 5 Plus also supports dual band Wi-Fi as well as has an IR blaster at the top. The fingerprint scanner is rear mounted and is an always active unit that's both quick and accurate. The bottom firing loudspeaker is pretty great actually in terms of quality as well as loudness. It doesn't have a stereo experience, but is pretty loud nonetheless. The 3.5mm audio jack is still here, and output is again loud and pretty good, and so is the call quality over both the earpiece and speaker. There's a 12MP f2.2 camera with 1.25 micron pixel size at the back, as well as a 5MP camera at the front. There's an LED flash at the front and a dual tone unit at the back as well. We'll be doing a full camera review, but until then, here are some samples to tide your time. The 4000 mAh battery can be charged through the micro USB port, and battery life is pretty good. We got around 8 hours of screen on time if not more, and the standby times are very impressive too. That translates to well over a day of use for heavy users and 2 or more days of use for regular consumers. It supports a maximum 5V 2A and comes with a similarly rated charger in the box. The Redmi 5 Plus is not a smartphone that takes innovation to a whole new level. In fact, it chooses to hold on to its strong points and instead focuses on bringing the smartphone to 2018 standards with the addition of a wider display as well as some other improvements. If Xiaomi priced this right, then I would definitely recommend this smartphone to others. That's it for the video. Please do hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.